took a few minutes and watched my unboxing video of the FlagShip Eunoria. So I'm going to be doing my first shave with it, so let's give this a go. Good afternoon, wet shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome to the rabbit hole of Cal Shaves. As I stated, I'm going to be doing a first shave with this beautiful FlagShip razor Eunoria that I just got from Amazon, $25 USD, after I was watching a video of the shaving Tulsin. Now he did a video of 2 of these. I only found this one on Amazon and their website, so I don't know. I definitely want to get the other one now. Give this a try. I don't know if this is a clone of something. I've heard some rumblings that it might be. If it is, if you guys know about it, let me know. But what I will say is bear in mind, all tires are black, round, and made of rubber. That doesn't mean they're clones of each other, though. So, but made up my lather ahead of time in my Thirsty Badger lather bowl. Brand new Razor Rock 400 that I just got. Now, although I just did a video a couple weeks ago using PAA, my girlfriend and I have been binge watching Supernatural on Amazon Prime. In one of their episodes, they were talking about Sam Hain. I will post information about that here. So, of course, I had to go with Blue Sam Hain. Even though it's still quite hot out there, this is more of a fall scent. I figured to do like a little bit Halloween, but I was inspired to use it. So, wet the face, commentary fairly short, crank up the rock, the metal.
What is that? Oh, hey, what's up, Ken? Thanks for having me. Totally spaced this out. But, yeah, and thanks for meeting me here in this, well, in the middle of nowhere. I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys, well, you rock, first of all. And second of all, please check out my channel, DouglasSmytheChannel.com. I put the ass in DouglasSmytheChannel.com. No, but seriously, folks, it's filled with tips, tricks, and hacks in regard to traditional wet shaving. So if you want to learn more about wet shaving, maybe think about it in ways you probably haven't thought of it before, or maybe you have. Maybe you're a kindred spirit, in fact. Please check out DouglasSmytheChannel.com. I guarantee you'll learn at least something. I know I have in putting these videos together. Aside from that, check out our other channel. Matt Pisarcik and I put together this show probably about 3 years ago called I'd Lather Be Shaving. It's a morning shave show. It's kind of like Antique Roadshow meets American Pickers meets Wayne's World, Somewhere in the Desert on Acid. To sum it up. But if you're interested in learning more about traditional wet shaving history and more fun facts and so on and so forth and watching us make fools of ourselves, please check out I'dLatherBeShaving.com. It's worth your while, I promise. Lastly, what are we talking about today? Ken is talking about Blue Sowin. Some of you might be pronouncing it Blue Sam Hain.
Sam Hain. Sam Hain is Sam Hain's. Sam Hain took a Sam Hain and Sam Hain can do some Sam Hain.
And I get that. There was a band years ago, Glenn Danzig. Regardless, but Blue Sowin, we've been doing this one for probably about 5-6 years now, and it's our classic Halloween scent. It's kind of magical stuff. It's pumpkin-y and bourbon-y, or boozy, if you will. It's sandalwood, burnt sugar, bourbon, and fresh pumpkin, kind of like the scent you get when you're carving a jack-o'-lantern. It's true. And it's also, the aftershave is oak barrel aged. It's really festive, sensual, and just straight up boozy. You're going to absolutely love it, especially this coming time of year. Our favorite time of year, let's face it. Anyways, folks, thanks for this, Ken. Thanks for having me. And we'll get back to Ken now. Can we do that? We can get back to Ken. I think I've done that.
That should be good. First pass with the grain. Very nice feeling razor. Love the weight of this, very solid. I guess one complaint I might have is that spiral knurling, where it runs counterclockwise. That might be a problem for some people. I prefer a spiral like the diamond knurling rather than spiral. Very efficient, quite smooth, a little bit of blade feel to it. But a week's worth of growth coming off. Yeah, that mowed off a fair bit. Obviously my neck feels in thicker, so a little bit there to go. So, second pass. Across the grain. Our final pass against. That's BBS, and that's a rough spot for me right there, and that's BBS now. That's spot on. That is actually spot on. So, we're going to give this a quick cleanup, and then we're going to come right back, do the post, and talk about my thoughts after. So we'll be right back. And we're back. We got it cleaned out. So I got a weeper there. Maybe a little bit down here. Not hemorrhaging, I'm happy. Very, very smooth. Very nice. I'm going to go to our PAA dry dock alum. Run another water, just wet a little. Bit of burn on my neck, not bad at all. Pat that dry in your towel. Put it back in your dry dock, and you're ready to go for your next shave. Give this a rinse, and we're going, of course, with the matching aftershave splash. I'm not going to put a whole lot on because it is quite strong. But I do love it. Bit of burn. I'm a huge fan of Phoenix Shaving, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Huge fan of the product. Done a lot of videos, and I'll do a lot more. So, anyway, that was FlagShip Razors Eunoria. Really impressed with this. Love the packaging, beautiful display. A little bit cheapy putting the foam in there, but still, place to rest your razor, keep everything neat and tidy. It's going to look fantastic on your display shelf. $25 USD on Amazon. They do have another one. I couldn't find it, but really impressed with it. Again, for the price. Nice, solid weight. Love the coloring. Knurling actually is pretty good. You can see the light exposure. Rain tabs stick out a little bit. You know what you think of that? I would say that's at least a medium aggressive, or maybe slightly more than. Nice blade feel, if you like blade feel, and I do. So, really impressed with that, really like it. These thoughts are my own, they're not to do with the shaving Tulsa. Although I believe he had similar opinions of it. And we went with a known quantity. PAA, Blue Sam Hain.
So win.
Great scent on this. Definitely for the fall, not for the end or not for late August. It's still too freaking hot out there for this, but great scent. Inspired to me, because I was watching one of the episodes of Supernatural last night. Very cool. Had to dig this out. Of course, matching splash. Still have lots of soap left. Thirsty Badger Lather Bowl out of Canada. Razor Rock 424mm synthetic, nice solid brush. Highly recommend getting one of these. I will post links in the screen or in the description down below. And of course we did the Phoenix Alum Block Dry Dock, which now I use every shave. So anyway, just a couple of other quick things for you guys. Working on some new ideas. Hope you'll stay tuned for that. Hopefully to be released hopefully in the next week or two. I'm going to start trying to post more regular content. Just working on different ideas right now. So, and we got a few surprises for you guys too. So hopefully you'll tune in for that. Anyway, if you're not a subscriber, please take the time to subscribe. Please hit that notifications button. You'll find out when I upload. I try and make it every Monday, maybe something midweek short if I can as well. You can also check me out on Instagram at cal_shaves. I will post a link down below, so check that out. Anyway, and that's going to wrap this one up. You guys, your comments, your suggestions, good, bad, indifferent, please leave them down below. I know I have been lax on answering them lately. It's not the lack of want, it's just life as a trucker and home life. It's kind of hard to get everything done that I want to get done. So, anyway, you guys have yourselves an awesome week, and we'll see you again in a few days. Take care.